Alright, what's up? Welcome back again to a monthly update. So March is over and we are finally through with quarter one. I'm going to go ahead and dive into the phone and show you guys how much I've made, or how much I didn't sell, how much I've made in profit, and how much I've done so far for the year. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so we're on the Amazon seller app. So here's what I've done so far for April is $1,000, but let's go ahead and click year to date. Alright, so far for the year I have done 26,400, and I guess I'm gonna round it up to $10 in sales. So let's go ahead and click March. So March I did $8,427 in gross sales. Let's go ahead and go to seller board and figure out what the numbers are for that. So $8,427.08. I had 431 orders, sold 477 units, and I had 24 refunds. My gross profit was $1,284.08, but with the expenses taken out, like software, subscriptions, boxes, or tape, whatever, anything I need to work on the business, all of that taken out, it left me with $974.68. So last month, I had a record of 18 refunds. So I beat that last month with 24 refunds. So maybe in April I can get like 50 refunds. But anyways, let's go deeper into the numbers. So my net profit margin was 11% and my ROI was 29%. And let's go into what the expenses were for that month. Numbers. For March, alright, so for March, what the expenses were, our seller board was $19. I had to pay some LOC registration thing, which was $105. QuickBooks was $17.50. Profit Seeker Pro is a product research software was $9.95. SellerAmp was $22.95. Product research software. Keepa was $20.80. Another product research software. I did a pickup, which was $6. Did Be Cool Repricer is the repricer for all the products in my store to help me stay competitive with everything so I can keep products moving. I did another UPS pickup, which was $6. I bought some poly bags, which was $21.38, and I bought some label rolls for shipping labels and ASIN little stickers, which was $49.82, and I did another pickup for $6. So in total, the expenses for March was $309.40. So I think I was targeting about like 7K in sales in March. I ended up getting 8K, so which is pretty good. I'm still on track to do at least like 30K in 4 months. So things are looking good so far. If I can just do that again, I'm like right under 10K. If I could just get that 10K in April, I should be good. I pretty much did my entire year in 4 months. So that's what I'm trying to do. And then trying to build up enough money to make a massive Q4 this year. So that's the plans. I didn't get the loan that I trying to get because they didn't send me anything. So hopefully I'm just going to continue doing business, and hopefully I get some loan offers to grow. So thanks for staying to the end if you actually stay to the end, and I'll see you in the next update.